I hear a lot of times people saying that, oh, I use this body oil or I use this oil on my body and my body became blacker. Please, no. These oils that I'm giving you in this video are oils that are not intended to darken your skin. They are just going to help you maintain whatever skin color or tone that you have currently. The last oil I'm going to be giving you in this video is actually the most affordable and the most effective. So make sure you stick around for that. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is IJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always dropping by to watch my videos. So if you've not already subscribed to this channel or you're just seeing my face for the first time, please make sure that is not your last. You can do that by clicking the red subscribe button down below and also turn on your post notifications so you know whenever I drop any video. So without further ado, the first oil that I have for you guys in this video is the Neutrogena Essence Body Oil. The Neutrogena oil is actually very nice, and one thing I like about this particular oil is that it is for all skin types. Whether you have a dry skin, combination skin, normal skin, this oil is actually going to work for every skin type. Using this oil, you can be sure that you're not going to get wrinkles or sunburn. This particular oil is going to make sure that your skin reduces the fine lines on your skin, like make sure that your skin is looking plump, especially during this season of dryness like Harmattan or winter, depending on where you are. The period is a very dry period, and if you do not want your skin to be looking dried out, the oil I am recommending in this video, like this Neutrogena body essence oil, is actually one of the best that you can use. You can actually mix this with your body lotion and you can use this all over your body just to ensure that your skin has a more moisturized and hydrated feel. It's going to lock in the moisture that your body lotion gives your skin. That is what body oils basically do. When you have a body lotion and a body oil, you apply your body lotion, then lock in the moisture that your body lotion gives you with the oil. The oil will make sure that your skin doesn't dry out easily because the oil traps in the moisture into your skin. So you can be assured that when you're using these oils, your skin will be hydrated. Your skin is not going to have an oily feel, an oily sheen, because these particular oils, they absorb into the skin properly. So the next oil that I have for you guys here is the Dr. Teal's moisturizing body oil. This particular oil, one thing I like about it is how lightweight it is. It is actually very nice on the skin. Like, it is not going to make sure that your skin is flaking and all of that. If you have dry skin, like I said, this is majorly for people with a dry skin type. Like, if your skin is dry, it's going to ensure that your skin is not flaking, is not turning white. Your skin is going to look as moisturized and as hydrated as it should look. These 5 oils I'm giving you, all of them are really nice, but this particular one is tailored majorly for people with dry skin, even though you can actually still use it if you have a normal skin type. But this particular oil, if you have dry skin, I recommend highly that you get this particular oil just because of how effective it is in treating flaking on the skin and dryness. It's going to make sure that your skin looks supple, like soft. It's not going to leave your skin feeling sticky. Certain oils you use, after a while you notice that it's attracting sand and all of that. This is not the oil that is going to do that to your skin. These oils I'm giving you in this video will make sure that your skin looks bright, supple, but not oily and sticky or even greasy at all. So the next oil that I have here is the Vaseline Cocoa Radiance oil. You must have seen this oil all over the internet, like everywhere. It became a bit popular, but I want to tell you that the hype is not overrated because this oil is actually very nice. Vaseline products generally are also always on point, that they have really nice products. Their petroleum jelly, all of their lotions, but this particular one is so nice because it is tailored for darker skin toned people. If you are a melanin queen or your skin is on the dark side, you have chocolate skin, this oil is perfect for your skin because it is tailored for people who have a darker skin tone. Like, if your skin is browner in color or you have a darker tone, this oil is for you. And I really like this oil because it's going to help add a glow to your dull looking skin. Like, if your skin is chocolate in color but not very bright, a dull looking color, a dull looking skin tone, this particular Cocoa Radiance Vaseline oil is going to make sure that your skin color is popping, your skin is glowing. That is one thing I really like about the Vaseline line of products. Their products are always so effective when it comes to glowing dull looking skin. So this particular oil is not an exception, and if you have a dull looking skin that is not bright and not glowing at all, this is the oil I recommend that you use because it's going to definitely treat the dullness in your skin. The first best body oil I have here on my list is the Johnson body oil. So one thing I really like about this particular oil is that it is for all skin types and all skin tones. Most of the oils I'm giving you guys in this video will not be oils that are going to darken your skin. I hear a lot of times people saying that, oh, I use this body oil or I use this oil on my body and my body became darker. Please, no. These oils that I'm giving you in this video are oils that are not intended to darken your skin. They are just going to help you maintain whatever skin color or tone that you have currently. They are going to add a glow to your dull looking skin. If your skin is dry and dehydrated, it's going to lock in the moisture from your body lotions. That is why it is essential to have a good body lotion that you can pair with these particular oils I'm giving you guys in this video. So if you've not already decided on the body lotion, I'm going to link some of my lotion videos in here so that you can watch that and then look up the oils I'm recommending in this video and then combine them together, because these oils actually go with a lot of lotions I've already recommended in several of my videos. But this particular Johnson body oil is nice and it does not leave your skin feeling greasy. That is one thing I look for when I'm looking for a body oil, because right now you're going to be using a body oil on a daily basis and you don't want an oil that you're going to use, your skin will be sticking, you're going to notice that your skin is sticky or that it is attracting dust to your skin. So they are not sticky and they are not greasy, they don't leave your skin feeling greasy, and this particular oil is just going to moisturize your skin and leave it feeling glowing and radiant. That is one thing you need with a body. Fifth best body oil that I'm going to be recommending in this video. So after this one, I'm going to be giving you the bonus oil that I talked about at the beginning of the try is the Deserve Vitamin C oil. You guys already know how I feel about vitamin C. If you're an OG on this channel, you know that I talk about vitamin C a whole lot. Like, vitamin C has so many benefits to the skin, and this particular Deserve vitamin C oil is formulated with different vitamin C elements and formulations to ensure that your skin is having a brighter, even looking tone. You don't want your skin to have a darker skin tone. Like, you hear some people complaining that their skin is getting darker because of the oils that they are using. These oils I recommended in this video will not leave your skin feeling darker or looking darker than it should be. The Deserve Vitamin C oil is formulated to help brighten and even your skin tone, tackle those areas of your skin that has hyperpigmentation and darker spots. That is one thing you're going to get with this particular oil, and that is why I really like this oil. So if you've not already tried the Deserve Vitamin C oil, which is what I currently use now, I recommend that you get it, because this particular oil is so effective and it is hydrating on the skin. It's not going to make sure your skin feel sticky or anything like that. These are very important factors when you are choosing a body oil. You don't want anything that is going to stick your skin or attract dust to your skin. So now moving on to the technically the sixth body oil I'm going to be giving you in this video, but I talked about an affordable and effective oil that I think that you really require. So that is why I decided to say it is 5 in the beginning, but in reality I'm actually going to be giving you 6 oils in this video. So the last oil that I'm going to talk about in this video is the Vit Gold body oil. So this oil comes in 4 different variants. There is the vitamin C, vitamin E, arbutin oil, turmeric oil. Like, there are just so many oils that they have in this particular line, and I love Vit Gold oils. Like, Vit Gold products are actually very effective. This particular oil is going to make sure that you don't have wrinkles, sunburns. It's going to prevent or reduce the appearance of certain hyperpigmentation and sunburns on your skin. Don't say I didn't do anything for you. This particular oil is really what you are looking for if you want to ensure that you have a body oil to use, but it's also going to work for your skin and not also darken you. This particular oil, the variants I have here is the turmeric oil. This particular one has so many benefits. Turmeric, as you all know, is very beneficial on the skin and has so many benefits, but it is going to ensure that your skin is glowing, your skin is popping. This particular oil, if you've not already gotten it, I think is the one you should get, but you can actually pick from all the other oils I talked about in this video. They are all good, but that is why I decided to save the best for the last. Okay, if you've not gotten this oil, or if you have already tried this oil, let me know how it is in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. As always, I'll leave a particular playlist of mine here